our halfway home located.
Myntri katanat social welfare ba polling do ringkat unong yalam kalyang persha kaying dor bar thau ain kejela ba reeling do bolong ru MLA ka Millim constituency hagasngi thoding jong katayo kilaple ya Iingsah jong ki briew ki badon ka jingpang hakabor perkhat perdan kabalatip kum ka halfway home rehabilitation of persons living with mental illness kabadan hasaumer dong penthor Upper Shillong. Hagani ka jingyalang ledan lang ka Deputy Commissioner ka East Khasi Hills ka kong RM Kurba, ka Director jong ka Social Welfare ka kong CD Lingwa, kinong yalam shnong bat kiway-kiway. Ka halfway home ka dega sa jong ki kintay ki badan jingpang hakabor perkhat, bat kumba long menta ki don arp sangut ki basa kani ka jaka banyo e ka jingsumar, bat kide ki bana kelleng jong kari India. Habakran hagajing yalang uba polling do ula ai kajing ro ya kajing trai shitom jongki officer but kinong trai jo katanat social welfare hakajing shakri kajongki ya ka imlang salang ula pandu ya kajing kershan but jigi trai lang na baro.
At most times we talk in terms of sympathy for those who are less fortunate, less privileged, less gifted than us. But there is a saying that when a person grows in life, he moves beyond sympathy to empathy. There is a huge difference between the meanings of these two words. When you sympathize with someone, you look at that person as an outsider. When you empathize, you internalize the experience of that person. Internalize how would you be if you were in his place, and then you would understand another person better. Therefore, I once again commend the efforts of each of our members of the staff. You are the foot soldiers of our department. Nobody would write about you. You will not be in the front pages of newspapers. People who do vicious and toxic things make it to the front line, make it to the headlines of social media. Nobody would speak of the efforts that our attendants here, our staff here have put up in order to serve and to reach out to persons who are mentally challenged. As Aroni has just said, it is difficult to deal with even persons with who are branded as normal. How far more difficult it is to deal with people of their level of mental understanding.